friends. I am your colleague, Dr. Mrs. Sarita Ajit Deshpande. I am a gynecologist and I have done my MD OBGY from Government Medical College, Nagpur in 1985. I am a professor at Pravra Medical College, Loni, and I am also practicing in a small town called Srirampur in Ahmednagar district. My husband, Professor Ajit Deshpande, is also MD OBGY, which he has done from BJMC, Pune. Besides academics, I am also interested in sports and craftsmanship and also social activities. I was secretary to Loni OBGY Society for about 4 to 5 years. I was president of Indian Medical Association Srirampur and Srirampur Taluka Medical Association. Besides all this, I feel very proud to tell you that I have two prestigious sons who have become eminent doctors. My elder son Saurabh has done DM in cardiology from Government Medical College Trivandrum and is pursuing his fellowship in electrophysiology studies at Jayadeva Institute, Bangalore. His better half, Dr. Rudra, is an anesthetist at Lilavati Hospital, Mumbai. My younger son, Amit, is doing DM at AIIMS, Delhi. He is doing DM in cardiovascular imaging and peripheral endovascular intervention. His better half, Ami, is a senior resident at G.P. Pant Institute, Delhi. This G.P. Pant Institute is a super specialty institute attached to Maulana Azad Medical College, Delhi. Friends, this is about me, but I take this opportunity to wish you a healthy and happy COVID-free life. Take care. We are very prestigious to this society and we should all take care of ourselves. Thank you. Today I am going to prepare a delicious and healthy dish, that is Dates Delight. The ingredients that are needed are half a kg of seedless dates, about 75 grams of cashew nuts, 75 grams of almonds and 2 teaspoonfuls of ghee. First of all, roast the almonds and cashew nuts in a microwave for about 2 minutes, stirring in between. So we have roasted the cashew nuts and almonds, keep them aside. Add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee in a fry pan and then add the seedless dates. Fry the dates in the ghee. This will take some time. This takes about 10 to 15 minutes because you have to break all the dates to make it a nice dough. We are frying these dates, and see now how a nice dough will be prepared. But in between you have to stir it so that you break all these fibers of date and it becomes very smooth. So you can see a nice dough has been prepared. Now you add the roasted cashews and almonds and mix it well. So this is how you mix it. and then remove it from the flame. Cool down a little. Now we are mixing the dates and cashew nuts and almonds. You can wait for some time, it's quite hot. Now apply a little ghee to your arms and make rolls. It's a little hot, I'm not used to kitchen work so much. In this fashion, make rolls. Our rolls are ready. Now I have kept them aside for setting. After about 5 minutes, I'll be putting them in the refrigerator for half an hour and then cutting them into slices. Rolls are set now. I have removed them from the refrigerator and now I am making slices in this fashion. Some people even apply khaskhas to the rolls from outside, but if we apply khaskhas, we cannot use it for fasting time. See, our delicious date delight is ready. The advantages of this dish are that it's a sweet, sugar-free dish, so can be consumed by diabetics also. I hope, friends, you will all enjoy this delicious dish and just give your feedback. Thank you.